Hi everyone, my name is Abel Katoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number, or you can call me on any of these numbers. Okay. Today we are going to the episode 5 of this training. We'll go further to explain some of the Revit tools that we could not cover in the previous episode. Now there is a very important tool that we need to really talk about. If you could remember, in our modify here we have some dimensions for diameter, for radius, for your arc that we could not cover, and every other dimension here. We need to have a cycle in our window or an arc in order for us to take a dimension for an arc, or for the diameter of a cycle, or the radius of that particular cycle. Now there is a very important tool, which is the line tool. Okay, just like your AutoCAD that we have line tool in Revit. Now this line tool here, the shortcut key is LI for line. Now if you just type in LI and press enter, it will come up for you. But now sorry, just type in your LI, rather it will come up. You don't have to press enter. Now you can see there are a lot of magic you can do with your line. Now this line can be used to achieve whether a rectangle, whether an inscribed polygon, a circumscribed polygon, a cycle, an arc. This arc now is based on 2 points. We have the start, we have the end, and then the radius. Okay, so it's literally 3 points rather. You can see the first point. Now you can see there are points showing from here in the preview, the first, second, and then the radius. Similarly for this is a 2-point arc. All you need to do is to specify the center and then the ends. We have tangents, fillets, arc. So we may not go deep into all of them, but we'll briefly explain some of the key important tools here that you will be using in most of your jobs. Now the line tool, all you need to do is to click if you don't want to use the shortcut. If you click on this line tool, you can easily draw or sketch any kind of shape you want to achieve. Now you will agree with me that there are some shapes that are difficult to achieve using just your wall tool. As we proceed, you will see how to use the wall tool. So you will have to at some point use your line tool to trace that part. When you are able to sketch, then you can use the wall tool to actually trace that part of those lines, which I'm going to be demonstrating for us as we progress. You can see the rectangle. All I need to do, I can specify the length and the breadth of that rectangle, and I will sketch that rectangle. Similarly for an inscribed polygon, if I click on inscribed polygon, you can see I can specify the radius of that polygon, and once I type in, and it will come up. Similarly for my radius, if I want to get the radius of this, click in the first point, click the second point, and then this is my arc. I hope I'm mentioning arc, not radius. This is an arc rather. Similarly for this, I can take this. You can see it's always interactive, so it tells you what to do. It says sketches a curve by specifying the center point of the arc, start point and end point. Okay, so you need to identify the center, the start, and then this is the end. So we can see automatically it will generate this particular arc for you. So it's very interactive. All you need to do is just to follow that guide. You can see if you want to specify the radius, use the center ends arc tool. Okay, so this is basically how to use these tools. You can see the eclipse as well is here if you probably have a model that requires using an eclipse. Okay, you can as well achieve that. It's very direct and very easy to make use of. All right, so if you are able to achieve all of these, you can. All right, let's create a cycle as well. By the time you have a cycle, you can simply check the dimension of your cycle by clicking on the diameter of this cycle. If you click, it will give you the diameter of the cycle. However you place it, that will be the diameter of this cycle. Similarly, if you want to check the radius will be 50, will be 5,000, because the diameter here is 10,000. So we can just check the radius of this particular cycle. So you can see the radius is actually 5,000. So similarly you can do for your. All right, so that is that on this episode. On the next episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of your wall, your doors, your windows. Okay, how to make use of your rail. So we will go through that in the next episode. So I will see you in the next episode.